Peace be with you all. Good afternoon. I was appointed General in charge of the Ostia Religious Brothers of our congregation last May 13, 2008 by the General Council in view of the resolution number 12, letter C of the 15th General Chapter. I did not accept the office immediately because I believe I am not qualified. After my deep reflection, I realized that the will of the Superior and his council is the will of God. I accept the job. The General Superior gave an instruction to me through Reverend Father Gabi Camus, our spiritual in church, to have a communication to all the brothers in the world by sending birthday cards, cards for religious anniversaries, and letter for the preparation of the